Hey guys, you're watching How to Crypto, and in this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can log into your Etoro account. So watch this video till the end to learn how you can do it, and make sure that you are subscribed to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and also turn on the notifications to never miss videos such like this. So to get started, you'll need to open up the website of Etoro, which is etoro.com. So as you can see, the official website of Etoro has opened. Now to log into your account, click on the login option located on the top right corner. Now in the sign in page of Etoro, you will need to either enter your username or your email address and then enter your password. If you want to stay signed in even after you close the application of Etoro, then you need to check this box. If not, then uncheck it. If you have used any of these services to create your account, then you can simply choose these options to simply log in. Now after you fill this information, you can click sign in. So that's how quickly you can log into your Etoro account. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did like this video, then give this video a thumbs up, and we will be soon back with more videos such like this. Thank you for watching.